Hello guys, Vince Zoom here, and today I'm gonna show you the connections and setup of my V8 sound card. I will synchronize two V8 sound card in one speaker so that no need headset or earphone. So let's begin. Paralleling to V8 sound card. This is the power and this is the audio. I have adapter here because the free of V8 sound card is 3.0 only, so that it will become compatible going to a company instrument. This one, and then the earphone speaker going out, going to a company instrument in the other V8 sound card, and then the speaker again going out to JBL speaker, so that all sounds are going out there. Dito lalabas lahat ng sound, parang ito yung monitor mo. Tapos ito naman yung condenser mic, naka-insert dito. Yan. Tapos sa kabila naka-insert din dito. Yan yung condenser mic na isa. So ayan, testingin natin. Yan. Dito lalabas. Yan. Okay. So ayan, lahat ng sound dito, lahat lalabas. Yung keyboard tsaka dalawang condenser mic. So yan yung ating first setup paralleling to V8 sound card. Yun naman yung aking connection sa live. So ito siya, nakakonect siya sa audio jack ng cellphone. Ayan, lahat ng sound maire-record sa cellphone, kaya maganda yung tunog. Make sure na nakamute yung cellphone nyo pag nagre-record, para hindi niya madidetect yung tunog ng message nyo. So ayan, papakita ko lang yung mga butas ng V8 sound card. Mayroon siyang live, pwedeng dalawang live, dalawang cellphone ang connect pwede. Tapos a company instrument. Tapos yun yung charging. Tapos may butas siya ng earphone or speaker o headset. Tapos condenser mic tsaka dynamic mic. Ito yung example ng dalawang V8 sound card.
Hello po, ito po yung first album namin. Tingnan nyo na lang. Peace yaw.
Sa'kin, hindi magbabago.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
May full version kami dyan. Tingnan nyo na lang sa link description below. At yung second tutorial ko na isang ano lang V8 sound card.